Welcome to the June plot tour. It's suddenly looking a bit different. There's actually stuff growing. Yes! And look, it's actually blue sky instead of rain. It's quite hot today. So come see how the plot is looking. Okay, we'll start on this first bed. Some roses need pruning back. There's a bit of white geranium here. But this honeysuckle, so I think winter honeysuckle, needs pruning right back. I'm not allowed to get it too big. So let's go have a look at the other beds. Nothing in here yet, but I hope to plant stuff out. Here we've got Swiss chard going to seed. We have courgettes surviving and starting to flower. We have the odd carrot, but not many. The next one, there's a few more carrot seedlings in there, but there's also weeds. Now we have had a lot of strawberries here. There's still some more to come, but the birds have been getting some of them, but the plants are doing well. In here, there's supposed to be carrots. You'd be lucky if there's just a handful. This is my sweet corn bed. Well, I planted out seed into these and nothing came up, but that stuff's finally showing itself. This is where I plan to put the leeks, but I haven't yet. The alderman pea. Look. Lots of peas forming. Some nice fat pods down the bottom. And it's nearly reached the top, whereas the red runner bean next to it has reached the top. In here are a couple of cucumbers which are surviving. So we'll see if they start to climb. Nothing in here yet, but there will be brassicas once they're big enough from the greenhouse. Next, look at these lovely cabbages. And it looks like there's a kale there. They're doing well. When I came down, they did need a bit of water, but they're doing well. Look at the size of them. I think these slug halos work to keep the slugs off of them when they were little, combined with the organic slug pellets. And these, I believe, are broccoli, and they also are looking great. The odd carrot in the top. We have the onions. Those are from sets. Those are from seed. Here is a French climbing bean, I think. My Charlotte potatoes. Some carrots amongst the weeds there. My herb bed. Chamomile still surviving. Sweet pea just about. Cucumber there. Lots of different herbs. I've got Vietnamese coriander, fennel, and a bronze fennel there. So, but the rose has just about stopped blooming. So I've got a lot of deadheading to do. In the greenhouse, these tomatoes look slightly happier. They were rather dry when I came down. We've got cucumbers along the back, melons along the back there, and then 2 of each variety of tomato. So I've got tangerine ribbed, moneymaker, costoluto, tigerella, moneymaker, cordy-boo, sun baby, anti-mages, red grape, and principal burgess there. I haven't yet watered these, but these are mostly Paul Robinson apart from that sad looking one, is a moneymaker. Plum tree I need to prune because it's getting a bit high, and that looks like the what do you call it? Comfrey, that's it, has survived. The flower bed and pond looks good. Artichokes there are growing. My squash plants have got past the cold bit and they're starting to green up. Same with over here. Some beans have survived the slugs. I've got calendula here. This is Taunton Dean Cow, but I need to take some more cuttings because these plants are getting a bit old and past it. I've got more squash plants here, and eventually the beans here are growing all right. Purple French climbing bean on that side. Now into the brassica tent. So in the brassica cage, I've dug it over, I've weeded, I've cut the membrane, but I've not planted things out. And on this side, they're loving the amount of shade they get here. Obviously I've still got more brassicas to put out, but these, I can't remember, are they the Brussels sprouts? They might be. I can't see the label now that they've grown. The peas here with a lovely pink flower. They're producing a lot of pods now. The tayberries here, lots of yummy ripe ones to pick. The currants rather overgrown, can't even see if there's anything to pick. But over here, the summer raspberries are fruiting. These autumn ones are not fruiting yet. But look, lovely raspberries. And my unused so far tomato plants are surviving. Ooh, you see all those red bits over there? That's the thornless blackberries ripening up. And then if we come around here, these are surviving, probably because of how much shade they get. So the plot doesn't look perfect. There's not as much out as I'd like. I'm really happy with the brassica growth. They're doing well. I just need to get a few more brassicas out. But I'll do that after this hot spell has passed. So, thank you for watching. Bye for now.